This is how you set the temperature for PRIMO 3 soap melter to PRIMO 35 soap melter, or a PRIMO 25 wax melter to PRIMO 150 wax melter. First, turn on the power, and now the controller will calibrate itself and measure the temperature within the tank. It's being 174. In this case, we need to program it to be 180 for our material, so we hit the menu button 2 times, and we just go up to 180, and then we hit the menu button again to lock on the on, and then we need to change the off temperature, and we make that 179. So what that means is the way it'll work is when it hits 180, it will shut off, and then when you under 180 up until 179, it will continually power, and that's all you have to do.